Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a fascinating opportunity that's been making waves online. Can you really make $40 every 30 minutes using Google Translate? We've heard success stories of people dedicating just 4 hours a day to this method and reaping up to $2,000 a week. The best part? It's absolutely free and open to anyone, anywhere. But does it really work? Let's dive in and find out. Alright, let's start by visiting the platform that makes all of this possible, Google Translate. Head over to translate.google.com. As you can see, it's user-friendly and completely free. Here's how it works. You select the language you want to translate from in this box, type in your content, and it's automatically translated to the language you've chosen. Before we get to the translating part, let's visit another important site called CPA Grip. Here, you'll need to create a free account to get started. Click on the Register tab and fill in some basic information like your name and email address. Once that's done, hit Register Now. Once you're logged in, make sure to navigate to the Payment Center. This is where you choose how you'll get paid. They offer various options, such as Payer with a prepaid MasterCard, Global Bank Transfer through Payer, a transfer available only in the United States, and PayPal. Keep in mind that you'll need to accumulate at least $50 before you can cash out. But remember, this method claims you can make around $40 every 30 minutes, so meaning that threshold shouldn't be a problem. On the dashboard, you'll notice a public chat section. This is where users share their earnings and experiences. Some claim to have earned $58 in a single day, while others boast about accumulating a total of $23,000 since they started. Impressive, right? So, how does this method work? You'll receive links to various offers that you can promote. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to translate these offers into different languages. Here's why: different countries offer different payouts for the same promotion. I'll show you how to do it. Let's explore the payout variations between countries. In the United States, the highest payout is $1.88 per person who installs the app. But if we look at countries like Spain, France, and nearby regions, you'll notice significantly higher payouts: $23.10, $21, and $18, respectively. That's a remarkable difference. To identify the most lucrative offers, let's consider what works best for many people. Based on my research, promotions related to iPhones tend to perform exceptionally well. Unfortunately, the iPhone promotion in France, for instance, only pays 34 cents per sign-up. But if we explore other countries like Italy and soar offers by the highest payout, we find an iPhone 14 offer paying $17.11 per sign-up. Now, let's bring Google Translate into play. Before promoting an offer, it's crucial to understand what you're offering. For instance, I'll copy the offer title and head back to Google Translate. I'll change the language to Italian and paste the text. After translating, I get your iPhone 14 Pro. Looks good, right? With the offer details in hand, go back to the CPA Grip dashboard. Select My Offers and pick the one you want to promote. But before you proceed, ensure you change the tracking domain to tundrafile.com. Now, copy the link. You can save it to a document on your computer for easy access. To increase the likelihood of people clicking on your link, it's a good idea to use a link shortening service. There are various free options available. I prefer using Bitly. Sign up for a free account, create a new link, and paste the long link. You can give it a relevant title, such as Italy iPhone. Once it's created, you'll have a shorter, more enticing link. Now, you might be wondering how to get people to click on your links, especially if you don't have a large following. Well, here's where Traffic Ad comes into play. It promises to deliver up to 1,122 visitors to your website, or, in our case, your link, every 3 days. Imagine if even a small percentage of those visitors click on your link and sign up. When using Traffic Ad, remember to choose the right audience. Since we're promoting an offer in Italy, ensure your ad content is in Italian. This is where Google Translate proves invaluable. Translate your title and message from English to Italian, making your ad more appealing to the Italian audience. Now, post your shortened link on Traffic Ad. But here's a tip: make sure your link is as short as possible to increase click-through rates. After pasting your link, add a title in Italian, specify the language of your ad and web page, in this case, Italian, and target a specific country, Italy, in our example. Don't worry if you're not seeing immediate results. You'll need some patience. The magic number to keep in mind is around 1%. That's roughly the percentage of people who will click on your link and sign up for the offer. So, what happened? I decided to give this method a full 3 days without checking the progress. But, well, on the first day, my curiosity got the better of me. When I visited Traffic Ad, I received a disheartening message: my website didn't work. I had to investigate. It turns out the link I got from CPA Grip was blocked by Bitly, which deemed it potentially harmful. A piece of advice: always check the links you receive. I made the mistake of not inspecting the Tundra file link, and it redirected to an unrelated website, not the iPhone promotion I intended to promote. To get around this, I decided to try a different approach. I used the direct link to the rental assistance offer because it had an affiliate ID. When I added this direct link to Traffic Ad, it finally worked. But it took a lot of effort and experimentation to get to this point. It's worth staying informed and keeping an eye out for the next big thing in the online money-making world. To stay ahead, consider subscribing to reliable sources of information in the online money-making niche. This will keep you updated on the latest trends, tools, and methods that are gaining traction. It's a dynamic landscape, and being well-informed can be a game-changer. Flexibility and adaptability are also key. If you encounter obstacles or find that a particular method isn't working as expected, don't be discouraged. Instead, be open to adjusting your approach, trying new strategies, and learning from your experiences. It's often through challenges that we discover innovative solutions. Additionally, consider expanding your skill set. Whether it's learning about digital marketing, web design, or content creation, building a broader knowledge base can open up new opportunities. The more you know, the more versatile you become in the online money-making arena. Finally, remember that you're not alone on this journey. There's a vast online community of individuals sharing their experiences and insights. Engaging with this community can be a valuable source of support, knowledge, and inspiration. Online forums, social media groups, and even YouTube channels can connect you with like-minded individuals. In essence, the world of online money-making is a realm of continuous learning and adaptation. While the path may have its challenges, it's also a place of innovation and potential. As you explore new methods and stay informed about industry trends, you increase your chances of finding the right opportunity for you. Let's explore a few more dimensions of the online money-making landscape. One of the smartest strategies in the world of online money-making is diversification. Instead of relying on a single method or platform, consider spreading your efforts across multiple income streams. This not only mitigates risks but also broadens your opportunities for earning. For instance, if you've been primarily focused on affiliate marketing, you could explore dropshipping, content creation, or even investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies. Diversifying your income sources not only provides stability but also the potential for exponential growth. Another valuable avenue is to learn from experts and successful individuals in your chosen niche. Seek out webinars, courses, or mentorship programs provided by those who have already achieved what you aspire to. Their guidance and insights can significantly accelerate your progress. Organization is often an underestimated aspect of online money-making. As your endeavors grow, managing various projects and income streams can become overwhelming. Utilize tools like project management software, calendars, and to-do lists to keep yourself on track. If you find yourself with a surplus of income, consider making strategic investments. This could involve expanding your online business, purchasing assets, or even venturing into real estate. Investments can generate passive income and build long-term wealth. While we're on the subject of income, it's crucial to understand the tax implications of your online earnings. Different methods may have distinct tax treatments, and compliance is essential. Consult with a tax professional to ensure you're following the law and maximizing your deductions. Finally, it's valuable to regularly evaluate your progress. Set aside time to review your strategies, identify what's working, and adjust or discard what's not. This iterative process can lead to continuous improvement and increased earnings over time. In conclusion, the world of online money making is vast and multifaceted. By diversifying your income streams, learning from experts, staying organized, making smart investments, understanding tax implications, and continuously evaluating your efforts, you're positioning yourself for success in this ever-evolving space. I appreciate your dedication to exploring these additional facets of online money making, and I'm here to support your journey. If you have more questions or specific areas you'd like to delve into, please feel free to let me know. Your curiosity and proactive approach are key ingredients for success in this dynamic field. So, as you navigate the ever-changing landscape of online money making, keep an open mind, be willing to adapt, and stay curious. Remember that success in this field often comes to those who persevere, stay informed, and remain open to new possibilities. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it for today's exploration. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights into online money making opportunities, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And, of course, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.